All right, hat for hap around the house. I wanted to show you how to quick crimp. This is between 6 and 8, so I think it's around a 7 gauge wire if there is such a thing. But I measured it out and that's what it comes closest to. You're going to need something to cut the wire outside. Of course, you're going to need the ring. Got a little piece of shrink wrap. I'll show you how to do that. I got a little propane torch. And of course, crimpers. I just went with the Sanook 22 to 6 AWG. They work great. First thing I do is I estimate out about 1/4 inch, maybe a little bit 5/16, and then I just go around that and twist that, just like that. If you can pull it off, sometimes you can, sometimes you can't. And I like to twist it too because it helps to gather the wires. I think I'm going to need a wrench. Hang on. Just went with a pair of Gerbers here. And if you can, rotate it around so that you organize those wires a little bit. It makes it easier when you put it into the fitting. You're not really putting too much pressure on it. And that should come off. There it is. Just a little piece of the insulation. See that that's about 5/16. And when you put this on, be very careful not to isolate any of the wires on the outside. You don't want to do that. And you kind of see that that comes right to the end there. It's about where you want it. Get rid of some of these tools so I don't run into them. And what you want to do, I can smell that propane. These propane tanks, when you put the tops on, they leak a little bit, so I can smell that. So I'm going to want to definitely use that soon. But the idea here is you can see that you've got on the top, you've got that little block, and then on the bottom you've got that U or cradle. And that block on the top goes right where they soldered this ring together. Right there, and then the cradle, of course, supports the back side. Okay, I've got it, and you probably cannot tell, but that is right in the middle, and of course I'm holding it like this, and then you just crimp it. And once you start, you can't stop. You have to crimp it all the way to completion to release the ratchet. So here we go. Just like that. And there it is. Look at that. And then you do the pull test, and that's not going to come off. Grab your piece of shrink wrap, put it on. Grab your leaky, stinky propane. Hit it with some propane. Just like that. Now, that might be a little bit far forward. It depends on where everything sits, but if it is, you just cut that back because you do not want that to impede your connection or like a nut that's holding it down. But that's how you do it. Just that simple. That's how you crimp. Not hard. The right tools make it really easy. This is Hat for Hap Around the House. If you liked the video, hit the like button. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks for watching.